Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones REALME T310 using your Android device. You have to start by open the control panel, and this is the first method where you can check it. Now, the second one is to go to settings, connected devices, and here you can check it also, and some phones have more information. If you click at the settings icon, you have like battery percentages for the left and right one earbuds and the charging case. Now, the last option is to use an application, so just open it, click on your headphones, and here we go, we have also all of the informations. Or we have it here, but just the left one and the right one earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!